What is up, guys? It is Double T here, and yes, I know I'm recording a video at school. It's actually, yeah, I'm at school. It's a pretty empty hallway here. So yeah, we're gonna see if these vending machines actually work, because I don't know. Most of the time, these vending machines are not on and they don't work. So like, let's say I want to get these Micronex down there, the Micronex Mega Mix. Okay, then I think that's like $2. So put $2 in. Okay, took both of them. Now let's just select 46. And oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh, I thought it was gonna give me 2 for a second. It didn't need 2. But yeah, there is my Mega Mix. Alright, so yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.